Happy Saturday. We have made it to the weekend. It's the last weekend of summer. Doesn't really matter because even though fall is on Monday, it's still going to be hot. Feels like summertime, and it's definitely going to be hot not only for the rest of the summer season, which is only 2 more days. It's going to be hot as we kick off the fall season on Monday, but it will be nice. Nothing to worry about when it comes to the weather this weekend. Humidity not terrible, and we'll see some rain chances returning going into next week, which many of us are looking forward to, but still several days away. We'll be trending mostly dry this weekend. 72 degrees right now in the metro area, plenty of sunshine. A tranquil start to our Saturday. Dew points are in the upper 60s, so luckily the humidity is manageable for today. We have calm winds at this point, less than 5 miles per hour. Outside of the metro area, temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s on the North Shore, 60s in South Mississippi, 64 in Bay St. Louis, 60s down the bayou, it's 68 in Thibodaux, 72 in Kenner, and 68 in Belle Chase, 70s along the coast. It is dry for our Saturday morning. We should see basically no rain today. Plenty of sun, a couple little showers happening offshore, but nothing happening across the area. So hot and sunny weather for your weekend, 93 degrees today and tomorrow. The heat is just continuing to go and impact our lives. I know everyone is sick of the heat. But this is it. It's September and we're seeing temperatures hotter than average. Luckily, the humidity does stay in check today and tomorrow. There is a very minimal chance for a stray shower tomorrow afternoon, 10%. I mean, that's not much at all. Tomorrow morning, pretty similar to this morning. It's going to be pleasant in the evenings and the mornings this weekend. That's the good thing about the dry air. So tomorrow morning, we'll start the day again with temperatures in the 60s on the North Shore and low 70s on the South Shore. Like I mentioned, though, for the upcoming work week, we do have some changes. Our rain chances will be increasing finally because our upper air pattern changes. A disturbance in upper level trough will swing in across the country mid to late week. So our rain chances will be higher, especially going into Wednesday and Thursday. And by Friday, we should have a cold front coming in across the deep south. But there are no big cool downs in store with that front, but we'll have another drop in humidity by Friday. Speaking of the humidity, it is going to feel nice when it comes to the humidity levels for today and tomorrow, but some moisture will be returning for the work week, helping to bump up the rain chances. With additional moisture for the work week, it will feel more humid during this work week as well until that front pushes in Friday, and that will be comfortable again by Friday. But temperatures every day this week will stay in the 90s. That's above average. Average high 88 degrees. It'll be 93 today and tomorrow, and then low 90s continue for the first part of the work week. But by Friday, we may be in the upper 80s, 89 Friday. Not a huge difference for that. Chance of rain, though, going way up. We'll see some spotty showers and storms by Monday and Tuesday, pretty hit or miss. But I think by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll see maybe some soaking showers and storms mid to late week. Now, out in the tropics, there are a couple spots we're watching. Tropical Storm Gabrielle out in the Atlantic Ocean. And then there's one spot in the distant eastern Atlantic Ocean that has a low chance of tropical development over the next week. So 2 spots to watch now. Tropical Storm Gabrielle has winds of 50 miles per hour. Things are looking better structured here on satellite, so it is starting to strengthen. Gabrielle will likely become a hurricane within the next few days and pass eastward or pass east of Bermuda. So Bermuda should keep an eye on it, but so far it looks like it's going to impact no land areas, but it will likely become a Cat 2 hurricane out in the open Atlantic Ocean and move away from the United States. So no impacts with that. Now, that one spot in the distant Atlantic Ocean also really doesn't look like much is going to happen with it. Taking a look at moisture, it pretty much stays at like a disorganized system going into next week. This is already next Saturday, September 27th, and there's really much ado about nothing with that. So no tropical worries, no concerns in the tropics for us over the next week. For us, it's just more heat as we finish up summer and kick off autumn on Monday. And then today and tomorrow, it really is going to be beautiful if you don't mind that hot weather, but make sure you keep yourself cool for this upcoming work week too. Plan for some more rain and storms by Wednesday and Thursday.